Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're checking out the Eureka Corded Stick Vacuum Cleaner in Aqua Blue. This lightweight, versatile vacuum is designed to tackle a range of cleaning tasks, from everyday floor maintenance to deep cleaning pet hair, all without the hassle of a battery charge. The Eureka Stick Vacuum combines the power of corded suction with the flexibility of a 3-in-1 design, allowing you to easily switch between handheld, stick, and floor nozzle configurations. Let's take a closer look at how this vacuum measures up to your cleaning needs. The Eureka Corded Stick Vacuum weighs just 2.75 pounds, making it incredibly light and easy to maneuver. Whether you're cleaning floors, stairs, or your car, the lightweight design ensures that your arms won't tire out. Despite its size, it doesn't compromise on performance. The powerful suction is constant and stable, thanks to the corded design, which means no interruptions for charging. Whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the Eureka Stick delivers a consistent cleaning experience. It works effortlessly on all types of flooring, leaving them spotless and free of dust, dirt, and debris. The 3-in-1 functionality is one of the standout features of this vacuum. It transforms from a handheld device to a stick vacuum with the addition of a pole handle and floor nozzle. The handheld option is particularly useful for cleaning stairs or reaching tight spaces like under furniture or in your car. It also comes with a crevice tool, perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach spots. No matter the task, the Eureka Stick adapts to your needs. The attachments are easy to swap out, making it ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks. Another major benefit of this vacuum is its low-maintenance design. It's bagless, which keeps operating costs down, and the dust cup is simple to empty. Regular maintenance is easy. Just clean the dust cup and wash the filter, and you're good to go. This hassle-free upkeep makes it an appealing option for those who want a reliable vacuum without the added cost of disposable bags or expensive maintenance. The Eureka Corded Stick also stands upright on its own, making storage a breeze. The cord wraps conveniently around hooks on the back, so you don't have to worry about tangled cables or clutter. You can store it in a closet or any small space without much hassle. In practical use, the Eureka vacuum delivers solid performance. The lightweight nature makes it a breeze to carry around, whether you're doing a quick touch-up or deep cleaning. It picks up pet hair without issue, and the suction power is enough to lift embedded dirt from both carpets and hard floors. On stairs, the handheld mode excels in portability and ease of use. The attachments work well for detailed cleaning, like in car interiors or along baseboards. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the corded design ensures consistent power, it does limit your range. You'll need to be close to an outlet, and the 20-foot cord is long enough for most rooms, but might require you to plug in again for larger spaces. Another consideration is the noise. While it's not overwhelmingly loud, it's noticeable, especially during longer cleaning sessions. When it comes to value for money, the Eureka Corded Stick Vacuum offers solid performance for its price. It's not the most expensive option on the market, but it competes well with other corded stick vacuums in terms of versatility and suction power. For smaller homes or people who don't mind staying within a fixed range of the outlet, this vacuum is a reliable and efficient choice. It's especially great for pet owners or anyone looking for a quick and effective way to clean daily messes without the constant need for charging. If you're considering other vacuums in a similar price range, the Eureka stands out in terms of ease of use and low maintenance. Competitors like the Black Decker Cordless Stick Vacuum may offer a bit more freedom with its cordless design, but they come with shorter battery lives and higher maintenance costs. On the other hand, high-end models like the Dyson V8 cord-free may provide superior suction power and battery life, but at a significantly higher price point. The build quality of the Eureka Stick is decent for the price. The materials feel sturdy enough, and it doesn't feel flimsy during use. The attachments are well made, and the overall construction is solid, but it's clear that the focus is on making a lightweight, practical vacuum rather than a heavy-duty, ultra-premium model. Long-term durability seems promising, but as with all vacuums, it's important to perform regular maintenance, especially with regard to cleaning the filter and brush roll. As for customer support, Eureka is known for providing helpful service, with good response times and a straightforward warranty process. It's reassuring to know that if any issues arise, the brand has a solid reputation for taking care of its customers. Finally, while this vacuum doesn't feature any smart or high-tech functionality, it doesn't really need it. The Eureka Stick excels in the basics: strong suction, ease of use, and versatility. It's designed to make everyday cleaning as easy as possible without unnecessary complexity. To sum it up, the Eureka Corded Stick Vacuum is a fantastic option for those looking for a lightweight, versatile, and powerful vacuum cleaner that performs well on multiple surfaces. It's ideal for smaller homes, apartments, or anyone looking for a no-fuss, low-maintenance vacuum that gets the job done. If you're after a budget-friendly, reliable vacuum for everyday cleaning, this one definitely deserves a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you want to check it out for yourself, the product link is in the comments box below. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you've already tried this vacuum. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. Goodbye till next time. And remember, when it comes to cleaning, it's all about making life a little bit easier.